Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the euro dollar monthly, I still think this is going to end up growing into a trend. Probably eventually end up looking like that. Probably be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, or possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Either scenario definitely doesn't matter to me because either way I'm going to be looking for longs on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we definitely have a nice impulsive move up. Looks to me like a wave 1. This looks like a crescent, wave 2, and I do think we are in a wave 3. Now, we are going down, and we are bouncing off a Fibonacci level, so maybe this is like a 1 of 3, and then we're in a 2 of 3, and then it goes up for a 3 of 3. Either way, though, I do believe that it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, probably eventually taking out this high, and all part of a big wave 3. So let's take a closer look at that on the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, this looks like the 1, this looks like 3 waves down for the ABC of 2, then this right here is definitely an uptrend. Now one thing I will notice, even though this is a higher high right there, it looks like impulsive down, and this whole thing looks corrective up. It kind of looks to me like we're in a wave C, which a wave C would go down and take out this low before it ended up going up to the upside, taking off to the upside, that is, all part of a wave 3, like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and then a 3 of 3. So let's go down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we did have news today. We had Euro CPI, which didn't really seem to do a whole lot. Like I said, it does look like impulsive down wave A, but what I'm starting to notice is that this right here made 3 waves up. If you'll notice right here, we have 1 wave up, 1 wave down, and another wave up. Even though it's a higher high than this, it looks like a wave B, like an irregular top. If that's the case, then when we get an end of a trend on this move down, which I don't really think is over yet, I think it probably will go down and take out this low. Once we get that end of a trend by seeing a break of structure to the upside, that should tell us that the wave C is over and that we are most likely back into the uptrend. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, like I said, we had CPI news today, and we did have the end of a crescent today because of the news. The end of a crescent, 3 waves up right there, and a lower high actually happened about a half an hour, 45 minutes before the news even came out. But it does look to me more likely that this is going to keep drifting down and that we are probably in a wave C on the higher time frames, like the 4 hour and daily. So if that's the case, then we probably should just continue to look for shorts in a downtrend. You will notice that we have definitely been making lower highs pretty much the whole way down. We had a break of structure there, but the price could not hold above structure, telling us that the sellers, the bears, are still in control of this market. And really, we should probably just continue to look for shorts in a downtrend at least until we see some sort of a break of structure to the upside, which definitely has not happened yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.